Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel The Testing Instinct. In this video, I will be discussing about sending first post request in Bruno. In this video, I will be discussing about changing theme and creating collection in Bruno as well. For the demo, I will be using the API provided by Request website. I will be showing the details of the API. So I have opened the Request website. I will be using this particular post HTTP method supported API. So in order to use this API, we have to pass this particular payload. So this is the endpoint. I have shared the details in this particular notepad. I will be sharing these details as video description. Now I am going straight into the demo. I have already opened Bruno. Now the Bruno's theme is in light color. Now we have to change this theme into dark. To do that, click on this gear icon. This is a preferences menu. In the display tab, there is an option to change the theme to dark. Click on this radio button. If you want to change the font size, you can do that as well. I am saving the preferences. Now I am going to create a new collection in this Bruno workspace. To do that, you can click on this create option, or there is another option here. Also, in these three dots, there is another create collection option. Three options are available. I am clicking on this option. Now I am giving a name to the collection. Since I am using API from Request website, I am giving collection name as request. Now I am browsing the location in which I am going to store this collection. In my file system, there is a YouTube folder. Inside that, I have created Bruno. Inside that, there is also one folder called Bruno API testing. I am choosing this folder. So the collection will be creating under this particular folder, Bruno API testing. Now I am going to click this create option. Now I have to add a new request under this collection. To do that, click on these three dots. There is a new request option. By default, the type will be selected HTTP. Now I have to give name to the request. Since I am going to create a new user, I am giving a meaningful name to the request as create user. So we are creating a new resource, so we have to use the post HTTP method. Now I have to copy paste the API endpoint. So this is the endpoint. I am clicking on create option. I am expanding this collection and clicking on the create user request. Now in the body tab, we have to pass the body. I am selecting JSON from raw type. Now we have to pass the body along with the request. So I am copying this JSON payload and pasting it in the body tab, saving the request. Now I am going to hit this request. We have got a 201 status code with the status text as created. So we can see the details of the JSON which we have passed in the response. Along with that, there will be an ID key along with its value, and also created key will be created along with the timestamp. So this is the response of this particular API. So this is how you can hit a post request from Bruno. I hope this session was very useful for everyone. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing the channel. Please like, share and comment on the video. Thanks for watching and keep learning.